Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all posts on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the bottom side corner. The next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on your activity right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for post right here. Click on post. Then it will take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Then you can select as many as possible posts. Continue to click on them one after the other. Select all the posts that you're likely to delete. So select them one after the other. Select everything. So now, as at the time of making this, I was able to select about 30 something posts. So continue selecting them. Once you're satisfied with everything that you want to delete, simply click on delete right here, and all the posts is going to be deleted without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete all posts at once on your Instagram account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.